let's play some music.
What would you like to hear?
What the hell was that?
Do you wish further information on Silicon Valley?
Hell no, I wanna know who you are.
There's no reason for increased volume. I am scanning your interrogatives quite satisfactorily. I am the voice of Night Industry 2000's microprocessor, KITT for easy reference, a KITT if you prefer.
No, I don't prefer and I don't wanna talk with a car. Understand?
I am not qualified to overrule your wishes.
Well, that's good to hear. So don't offer any suggestions.
As you wish, Mr. Knight. But since you are still recovering from your ordeal and I detect we're in a slightly irritable mood caused by fatigue, may I suggest you put the car in the auto-cruise mode for safety's sake?
No, you may not. That's final. Good night.
Good night.
There you are.
Of all the irresponsible behavior, to leave me with my keys in the ignition and my doors open.
I'm sorry, it won't happen again. I said I'm sorry. What do you want?
A little consideration would be a beginning.
Buddy, we got a lot of work to do.
If it weren't for me, you'd be walking.
If it weren't for you, I'd be missing our most important rendezvous, the whole point of my mission.
Our mission.
Our mission. Forgiven?
I suppose so. After all, we're only human, right?
Right. Don't raise your luck.
It was just a thought.